How to use projects in ChatGPT. When working with ChatGPT, most people are used to starting a new conversation, asking a question, and getting an answer in real time. But one of the biggest improvements that has been introduced in the latest versions of GPT is something called projects. Now, instead of treating every single conversation as a separate disconnected chat, projects give you a way to build organized long-term workflows where your notes, instructions, and progress are kept together. So in this video, I'll guide you through exactly how to use projects in ChatGPT, how they can completely change your productivity, and how you can set them up to manage everything from research and writing to coding, content creation, and even business operations. So to start, let's clarify what projects actually are. Go ahead and think of them as a workspace or container inside GPT, where you can store multiple conversations, files, settings, and AI instructions that all revolve around a single goal. So for example, if you're actually going ahead and building a website, you can create a project file called portfolio website. Inside this project, what you can do is you can upload design briefs. Now let's walk through how to create your first project. When you log into GPT, as we are over here, on the sidebar, you're going to see a tab labeled project. Now, in the case you don't see that, you might need the upper plans for Chat GPT. Now, in the case you don't have the upper plans, you can get them right here by coming in this section, go to upgrade plan, and simply join the plus. Now, in the case you don't want to do that, you want to stay on the free plan, don't worry. That is doable as well because you can simply go ahead and have projects right here. Okay, so what you can do is you can go over to the GPT section and you can go ahead and get projects. So you can add Notion, GPT, Asana, GPT, etc. But on the other hand, what you can do is you can actually go ahead and simply create a new chat. So let's have a new chat over here. And to keep this chat on, make sure to turn off temporary chat. Now, once you've turned off temporary chat, what you can do is you can go ahead and start accessing this according to yourself. Okay. So for instance, if your project is about launching an online course, you're going to make sure to identify it as that. So this is going to be usually for conversations, which works just like your usual GPT. But the difference is that every conversation that you have inside this project will automatically be linked to the overall goal. So instead of having to explain from scratch every time, GPT can pull context from the ongoing project memory, meaning it remembers your previous instructions. So another features is going to be the file section. So you can actually go ahead and add files for yourself. And you can do that by accessing this Patreon over here. So let's say I have some specific PDF, okay? And I want GPT to go ahead and, study it. I want it to go ahead and get a good idea of it. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add this one over here. Now, once I add this PDF, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask GPT to study it, to understand it, to, actually know what's going on in it, etc. Now, what you can do is you can basically add, something like this in GPT. And obviously by adding something like this, what happens is you allow GPT to summarize it, to read through it, etc. And obviously that becomes adjusted into GPT's mind frame. So study this and keep it all in your memory. So now we have created this as a core memory in GPT. Now, once this is done, it has gotten it in its memory. Now, what you can do is you can actually go on ahead and start asking GPT things about it or even manipulate things in it. So let's say I'm going to ask, remind me the probation laws. Okay. I'm going to ask that. And once we ask that, as you can see, GPT is going to read the document. And as you see, it goes on and on. So it's actually going to let me know all the things going in. You can also go ask it to create a visual flowchart. So you're simply going to ask it to make that visual flowchart for you. And once you've done that, GPT will do that for you accordingly. And that's the greatest and most incredible thing about GPT, that it will not only do these little things for you, like keeping it in your memory and, keeping a good idea of all of these things, but it will actually go ahead and give you a good idea of these things. Now, as you can see, you have a proper flowchart showing you how probations will actually work. And you can also go ahead and create flashcards. Now, once you ask that, it's going to create flashcards for you as well. And obviously, it all is going to go back to that memory that you had stored in it. Now, let's talk about practical uses. Imagine you're a student working on a thesis. Okay, you can create a project dedicated to your thesis, upload all your research papers into the files, ask the AI to summarize each one, and store those summaries in the conversations. You can then create another chat within the project just for drafting your chapters and another one for proofreading because it's all going to be part of the same project. Now, for business owners, projects can become a lightweight management tool. So you're launching a marketing campaign. You create a project in GPT, upload your details, draft social media posts with AI, generate ad copy, and even ask for competitor analysis, all within one workspace. You could even create multiple projects, one for each campaign or product, and switch between them seamlessly without losing context. Another great use is for you content creators out there. So let's say I create a new chat, right? And once we create a new chat, I'm going to go ahead and write in something like, if I make a YouTube video, you can set a project specifically for your channel. Inside that, you might have conversations for brainstorming video ideas, another one for SEO optimization. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and write create SEO description for my gaming YouTube video. Okay, add in something like that. And once you add in something like that, as you can see, it's going to create that project and you can start letting it know the details. And once you do, it's going to go ahead and start, adjusting the proper information and all those things. Now, of course, there are some things to keep in mind right now. Projects are mostly available to paid ChatGPT Plus and Pro users, so free users may have limited access. Storage limits also apply depending on your subscription, especially if you upload many large files. But even with those limitations, projects represent a huge leap forward in making GPT not just a chatbot, but a true productivity environment. So as we move into 2025, it's clear that projects will only get more advanced for you. And you can also use team collaboration tools like Google Drive, Notion, advanced project analytics are likely to appear. For now though, just mastering the basics, creating projects, organizing files, setting instructions, and running consistent conversations can dramatically improve how you work with AI. So to wrap it up, projects in GPT are like moving from sticky notes on a desk to having a full digital workspace. Instead of losing track of ideas, everything is absolutely connected, persistent, and tailored to your goals. Whether you're a student, business owner, content creator, or developer, this feature helps you work smarter, stay organized, and unlock more of GPT's potential. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. And also do make sure to share this video around with your friends and family or anyone in need of this video because that truly helps me out. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is. Again, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, share this video around, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.